Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to reduce and set a threshold for loud sounds on your iPhone. This is a setting used for headphone safety, but it's also helped just on overall volume control coming from your phone. You may already have an issue where maybe the volume isn't loud enough for you, and you might have this setting already enabled. To access the feature, open Settings. Inside of here, tap Sounds and Haptics. Next, choose Headphone Safety. You will then see Reduce Loud Sounds. Turn it on by tapping the slider on the right. You can then slide the setting up or down depending on how much you want to limit and reduce. For instance, all of the way to the left is about the level of a vacuum cleaner, while all the way to the right is as loud as a siren. The opposite may also be happening to you. Maybe you're having an issue where your iPhone's volume just isn't getting very loud at all. You may have this setting enabled already. If that's the case, then just adjust the setting or turn it off altogether. Either way, set it to wherever you feel is good for you and you're all set. You can then go ahead and close settings. And that's how you reduce loud sounds on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.